You're ruining the intro, woman. What is wrong with you? Hey guys, Miss Kitty Cat here. We actually, she, this one right here, and he are grading their braces on today. Isn't that right? I'm kidding, no. Cats can't have braces. You really think cats can have braces? Look, Meow, they think you can have braces. Oh, you ran away. Fine, I'll put you down. Thanks. Okay. No, I'm kidding, guys. None of us are getting our braces. But there is one thing that is going on right now. You guys can tell. I don't have my... Oh my gosh, this... Oh no, those are my normal cheeks. What? Oh my gosh. What? I guess I was impressed. No. I have really sensitive gum. Yeah, I just touched my gum and it started bleeding. Does that happen to you guys? I brush my teeth all the time. So I have no idea why it's so sensitive. My mom said that if you don't brush your teeth turn... No, your gum turns sensitive. And I think that's what happened, but I always brush my teeth, so I don't get it. Oh yeah, no idea what's going on. I don't want to show you guys. This really awkward, okay? Okay? Fine, look. It is not bleeding anymore, but it was. I'm really scared for the braces. Well, not scared, but I feel weird if I had braces. I've been watching a lot of videos about like people getting their braces on and they see that can barely talk because that happened like no, I'm kidding. What the heck do I have on my forehead? Glitter on my face. Just think about it. It's 2:02. Okay, let's start the day. Well, not really start the day. Let's end the day now. I'm so scared. I don't know when I'm going or what time I'm going, but or where am I going? What Earth of Donuts am I going to? I have like no idea. It's been cloudy for the next past 5-6 days, and it has not rained. It rained one of the days, like the first day it rained, but then the second day it didn't rain, third day no, and it just didn't rain anymore. You freaking better move out of my pooping way, bruh. Okay, there. Okay, so can you guys? I like my. You guys like my hair, huh? It's a different color. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it closely. Yeah, so my glasses broke again, so that's why I don't have my glasses on. I look like my sister without my glasses. No, not really. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. Can you see? I can see. I don't know what I'm doing. I feel like my eyes look red. And I also have like the line in my face still. I still have that. I had it since I was 8. If you guys saw my Draw My Life video, you would know. I didn't actually put every single detail of my life. Well, the main details. I didn't put every single main detail. I should have. I forgot like one